Hi guys, welcome to another vlog. It's very clear to me that I had nothing else better to do today than go to Sainsbury's and work myself up with this water wat hulle verkoop wat so duur is. Imagine paying £6 for water wat uit die tap uitkom. I mean, back in the day, toen ze sunlight zeep gebruik. You know that bullshit green square that they used to do the dishes, they used to do the washing, they used to wash us met water. Kiki, they've got the big one, they've got the small one. £11. As ek gek op my voorkop geskryf. And then I remember this thing being £1, now it's £2.30. Aloe vera. Just get the whole plant, sis. I mean, seriously. Cannabis, nee, god, al wat die UK ken is drugs. But anyway, moving on. Wacht, kyk hier, so blare. Blare for £3. Imagine. Nee, ek kan mos 'n pakkie blare myself koop en net so uit die pakkie eet. Sushi, hoe duur is sushi? Is net klomp vis en cucumber. £11. Just buy a pack of salmon, avocado, and just eat it together. Nee, die is snaakse koelranke. Kyk hoe sy blikkie gesmash. Ooh, this bread is disgusting. Ja, maar dit was nog the Indian stuff, a taste of home van Lenasia. Goed singie. £1. 75p I can work with that. Nou betaal ek nou vir my goede. Nou wil hulle, they want me to pay for a bag. Can you believe this? Cut. £9.